his second year or third year. He met me just a while ago. And they are, just imagine, the St. Thomas School at Kidderbo is consisting of what, I think, 15 to 20,000 students. And there is a co-educational school. I am well known over there because teachers over there know me. And my students also, some of them have studied from there. There are three brothers. One I taught, he had finished his BCom and he is today working in Riyadh. The other student I taught, he is an engineer. And full-fledged engineer, he is working at Baliganj Fari. Another student I taught, and from the same family, and he is a lawyer. I taught him from class 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, Calcutta, from Calcutta University, he finished his degree, and a law. All throughout the period I taught him. Now, this student is practicing at Sialda Court. Now, what I mean to say, of course, these students are not from this school, but our student who has got admission into St. Thomas School, that is the reason why I have come to this point. It definitely shows the sense of adjustability of our students. How our students can adjust into society. That is the art, that is the culture. If you cannot adjust into society and you get education, but if you cannot adjust, then your education is all null and void. Along with education must come discipline, must come the art of adjusting. And these students who have passed out from the school have got admission into the most prestigious institutions, and they are till now studying, they are able to adjust themselves. This adjustment is it is definitely an art, and this is what the school has been able to do. Some of our students have also finished their medicals through the joint entrance and has completed the PhD in the medicals. Some have completed one of the students which I know has got admission into Shibpur. He denied that because he knew in the subsequent year he will do better, and so he wasted a year. And the following year he studied better and got admission into IIT. Today he is an engineer and he is earning about 1.5 lakh rupees a month. This is a big achievement. It is a sense of adjustability. Because in these institutions, if one cannot adjust with the colleagues and with their fellow students, then they will not be able to last in this university, in the college. So this is what the school has been doing. And our school has been conferred the international award from the International Academic and Research Center. And also it has been conferred the Dronacharya Award. I must thank these two bodies. First, the international award which has been conferred. If one gets that award, you will get all other awards. No school has been able to achieve this. And then subsequently, after this, came the Dronacharya Award. Hardly any school attains this, but to attain the international award is a big matter, big issue. Even the best of school institutions cannot achieve to get this. And the school has achieved this. Then what does it signify? It signifies that the school, though it looks small, but it definitely is moving in the part of reflecting and instituting culture in its various forms to our students, so as to help them to have a bright future. And with so many points, our school is a co-educational school. It definitely has a very significant factor behind it. Because of being a co-educational school, the boys and girls are able to study together side by side. They are able to understand each other's feelings, and they are able to respect and reciprocate their feelings to each other in a brother and sister behavior, and this helps them definitely to adjust into society. They can grow up as true citizens of the country, helping each other and working together as brothers and sisters, and living together as brothers and sisters with their minds fixed towards building a nation that could live profoundly as true citizens. And with all these aspects come the universal feeling of universal brotherhood. We see that there is a good saying that you show me your friends, and I will tell you the type of person you are. And I would say that you show me your culture, and I would tell you the type of person you are. Culture definitely plays a very vital role. We see that culture is a spearing head. If there is no culture, then the country can be denounced to nothing. The individual who lacks culture will definitely lack the leverage to build his future. If the individual lives with proper culture, he will be able to gain in leaps and bounds in every field. He will be able to build for himself a proper future. This is what Vikas Bharati High School is doing. If you see, the period of Vikas Bharati High School is just only a short period. And within this period, such a lot we have achieved, which hardly any school can do. There are some schools that could do. But definitely with a span of time, within this short period of time, the school has achieved such a lot. I would say that that all that glitters is not gold, but culture is the one thing that glitters. Because if you look at a person, if he is well versed with culture, you can understand by his very appearance, by his very feelings, by his very movement, that he is a cultured person. And so culture definitely glitters. Though but culture definitely glitters. So we have a vital friend, culture. Nothing can be greater than culture. Culture is the mother of all values, because culture plays the aesthetic sense of respecting, of valuating each other, of farsightedness, of the sacrificial value. Because of this, culture is the mother of all values. It is that from which it is the embodiment of all social values. Culture is definitely the embodiment of all social values. And culture, therefore, in today's program, we will come to understand the culture that is being reflected by the students of Vikas Bharati High School. The very participants of today will be the very representatives of the other students and the school as a whole, reflecting the value of culture. The way they will be displaying their events very profoundly, with a much needed skill, with a much needed rhetoric, with body gesture. Definitely it will prove that there is culture involved in it. And the way our all other programs will be held, definitely the very dressing of the very participants involved in the various activities definitely will display the art, the value of art. So the value of art, intellectual, all plays a role. These are the very important embodiments of culture, and this is what will be highlighted in today's program. Today's program, no doubt, highlights the significance of culture. And for culture, to get culture is not that easy. To get culture, there must be a motivational drive. The teachers play a very motivational drive. I as headmaster also play and see to it that the teachers do play the motivational drive, because culture must be nurtured. Culture doesn't come like that game. The culture only can be nurtured if the students take their teachers as their model. The students can also take their parents and guardians as their model. But in school, we definitely make sure that the teachers play the part of a role of a guide, philosopher, and friend. And in friend, from the sense that the students will be able to face the difficulties in life. They will not think that the difficulties or life is a burden. They will definitely think that life definitely has its drawbacks, it has its difficulties, good days and bad days, but we will have to all accept this with a smile. And this is what the students of Vikas Bharati High School are taught to do. They carry themselves as a good model before the students. They encourage the students they act as with a proper motivation and drive. Students seeing this, definitely, and the way the teachers come to school, the way they walk, the way they talk, the way they present themselves, all this comes under the category of good culture. Seeing them, the students get motivated, and in this way they are able to inculcate into their minds the value of culture. So the school is very tries all other channels to improve the culture. Discipline plays a very vital role. If the students are not disciplined, they are sent home. Their cards are called, and action is taken against them. We are very severe. Of course, some of the students do the wrong things, and maybe they do it secretly, but slowly, soon, or I should say very soon, the information is brought to my notice, to the principal's notice, and to the authorities concerned, and we take the necessary action. No stone is left unturned in school. We deal with every with every stone that is unturned, and because of this, none of the stones are left unturned. In this way, the students definitely understand the importance of education, the importance of discipline, and they turn out to be good students of the country. And in this way, they are able to be motivated with the necessary culture. It is culture that plays a very vital role, and the school has done everything possible to instill in the minds of the students the significance of culture, and it's because of culture we are sure that the students will be able to build for themselves a good future. Thank you.
Please give a huge round of claps for this inspiring speech by our headmaster. And now I would like to call the man who has spread the idea of education for such a rural location, and the founder of our great institution, Vikas Bharati High School. So now please welcome our honorable principal sir with a huge round of applause.
देखो उधर के देखे कथा बोलते मंच पर विराजमान हमारे छाया की तरह बड़े भाई साहब, हमारे सारी शिक्षिकाएं, प्यारे बच्चों, और सबसे बड़ा जिनके कारण विकास भारती 2002 से चलते हुए 2020 में ये 2020 में जिस जगह पहुंचा है वो आपका विश्वास, आपका प्यार, आपका साथ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको अपने अंतःकरण से कालीघाट प्रांगण में उत्तम मंच में आप सभी का विकास भारती के प्रिंसिपल के होने के नाते आप सभी को अंतःकरण से प्रणाम करता हूं। मुझे विश्वास है आप सभी पर में कि मेरा जो चिंता है वो बेकार है। आप लोगों का साथ है तो कोई भी ऐसा काम नहीं करेंगे जो विकास भारती के मर्यादा के खिलाफ हो। मुझे आशा नहीं, पूरा विश्वास है हमारे सारे शिक्षिकाओं पर में, टीचर नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ पर में, वो लोग सारा अपना ड्यूटी जिस तरह से दिया गया है सारे निभाएंगे। माँ के गर्भ में बच्चा सबसे ज़्यादा सुरक्षित होता है ना, आप तो माँ हैं। कि होता है कि नहीं होता है? आप लोग से बात करने के लाइट जलवाए हैं। और हम लोग आज मां काली के गर्भ में हैं, सबसे ज्यादा सुरक्षित होंगे। लेकिन फिर भी मुझे जो चिंता है, कुछ मैं बताना चाहता हूं आप लोगों को, उसको थोड़ा ध्यान रखिएगा। वो मोबाइल लेकर के आप लोग, जब प्रोग्राम शुरू होगा, अभी प्रोग्राम शुरू होने का टाइम 3 बजे से था, मैंने जानबूझ के थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा किया कुछ चिंता के कारण, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है रिहर्सल के दिन 9 बजे प्रोग्राम था, ऑफिस टाइमिंग था मेट्रो का, हम लोग बोले 2 से 5 बज से जाओ, गार्जियन नहीं आ रहे थे। छोटा सा एक घटना हम लोगों का प्रोग्राम को बर्बाद कर देगा। प्लीज उसमें अभी तो आने वक्त कोई दिक्कत नहीं था, जाने वक्त फिर वही ऑफिस टाइम होगा, तो बस पकड़ेंगे, थोड़ा सा भीड़ रहेगा, थोड़ा रुक जाएंगे, मेट्रो ही जाएंगे, कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन रुक के जाएंगे। जान है तो जहान है। और सचमुच बता रहे हैं, इससे बड़ा हॉल मुझे नहीं मिलता, तभी बार बार उत्तम मंच में ही प्रोग्राम होता है। और उत्तम मंच का परिवार जो है वो विकास भारती का परिवार जैसा हो गया है। जैसे आप लोग विकास भारती के परिवार के सदस्य हैं, वैसे ये लोग भी अब सदस्य के तौर पर में वही बादल दा, वही सब गेट्स कीपर से लेकर के सारा सब नॉन हो गए हैं। तो उनका भी इज्जत थोड़ा बचा कर रखिएगा। कहीं कोई गंदा कुछ कर दिए, कल को हमें पिंटू दा बोलेंगे क्या सर क्या हो गया, तो मुझे बुरा लगेगा थोड़ा सा। मुझे आशा नहीं, पूरा विश्वास है कि आप लोग नहीं किए हैं, नहीं करेंगे। जगह नहीं है बैठने का, अभी तो मिल गया बहुत गार्जियन, क्योंकि हम अगर सब बच्चे को बुलाते, हम गार्जियन को भी जगह देते, तो शायद नजूल मंच भी अब छोटा पड़ जाएगा। वो आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है। मुझे आपसे 2 चीज चाहिए। आप लोग पूरा प्रोग्राम देखेंगे, देखने के बाद आपसे मुंह से निकलेगा, अगर अच्छा निकलेगा तो जरूर बताइए दूसरे को, खराब निकले तो जरूर बताइए मुझे। सेल्फिश मत बनिए, बोलिए जरूर। विकास भारती में जो कमी है मुझे बताइए, और जो अच्छाई है दूसरे को बताते गए हैं आप लोग, तभी विकास भारती 4 बच्चा से शुरू किया, आज 850-900 बच्चा पार करते जा रहा है, अभी भी एडमिशन गोइंग ऑन। ये आप लोगों का ही प्रसाद है, आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है, आप लोगों का ही प्यार है। हम लोग इसी मंच पर में इससे पहले आशा किए थे, विश्वास किए थे कि सब में ऐसे नंबर लाएंगे, माध्यमिक में ऐसे नंबर लाएंगे। बच्चे ने इसी साल प्रूफ करके दिखा दिया, और उसमें से तो एक बच्चा 100 में 100 मैथ में लाया। इसी मंच से बोले थे, ऐसे ही 18 बच्चा इंग्लिश में लेटर है, वही है माइकल सर ही बोल रहे थे। इसी मंच से बोले थे, इस बार भी जब माध्यमिक का परीक्षा हो रहा था, तो मैंने एक हिस्ट्री का टीचर यहाँ पीएम मैम होंगे, उनसे पूछ बैठा, मैडम परीक्षा कैसा गया बच्चा का? बोली सर, ये नहीं बोली कि अच्छा गया कि बुरा गया, बोली सर बैनर बड़ा करना पड़ेगा। बैनर मतलब हम लोगों का स्कूल में जब वो 83% सबसे कम पाया था, उस बच्चा का बैनर में नाम था। मैंने 80%, 75% जो स्टार होता है उसका बैनर में नाम होता है। तो हमको बोलती है सर बैनर बड़ा करना पड़ेगा। अभी आर सर से बात कर रहे थे तो बोले सर 25 बच्चा इस बार लेटर आएगा, कम से कम ध्यान रखिएगा। लेटर मतलब 80 से ऊपर मैथ सब्जेक्ट में, ये स्कूल की विशेषता है। प्राप्त करते जा रहे हैं, अचीव करते जा रहे हैं। फिर मैं बता रहा हूं, अगले बार फिर आप लोगों से मिलेंगे कहीं ना कहीं, यार हो सकता है इसी हॉल में मिले, जहां भी मिलेंगे अपना अचीवमेंट बताएंगे। 62 बच्चा इस बार भी माध्यमिक दिया है, फेल नहीं करेगा एक भी बच्चा। जब रिजल्ट निकलेगा पता कर लीजिएगा। ये विकास भारती का प्रिंसिपल होना तो मुझे गर्व है। मैं प्राउड फील करता हूं कि इतना बड़ा परिवार का मैं एक सदस्य हूं। वो आप लोगों का अंश, सब कुछ आप लोगों का अंश है, हमारे सारे बच्चे एक अंश हैं। और आप लोग मेहनत करते हैं, हमारी शिक्षिका मेहनत करती है, आप लोग बच्चों को भेजते हैं। ऐसे ही विश्वास बनाए रखिए, पूरा प्रोग्राम देखिए, बीच में जब तक एक बुक को पूरा नहीं पढ़ेंगे आप उसके बुक के बारे में नहीं बता सकते। पूरा प्रोग्राम देखेंगे, बीच बीच में थोड़ा सा कॉफी की व्यवस्था है, आप लोग जा करके एक एक करके जाएंगे, वो ले सकते हैं। आप लोगों को YouTube में मिलेगा सारा चीज, आपको हॉल में पिक्चर फोटो खींचने का कैमरा लेने का जरूरत नहीं है। आपको सारा बच्चा को YouTube में मिलेगा। आपका विकास भारती का YouTube है, उसमें सारा प्रोग्राम का लोडिंग हो रहा है, आपको डाल दिया जाएगा, आप दे सकते हैं। आप कैमरा फोटो खींचते गए थे, वहां से थोड़ा सा गए, एक छोटा सा घटना घट गया, हम लोग वॉलंटियर लगाए हैं, टीचर लगाए हैं, लेकिन आप सभी वॉलंटियर, आप सब टीचर हैं कि नहीं हैं? हम निश्चिंत रह सकते हैं कि नहीं रह सकते हैं? पक्का तो? अरे हाथ उठा के बोलिए, है तो? बस तेरा साथ है तो मुझे क्या कमी है, बस आपका साथ मुझे चाहिए। और मां जगदम्बा के लिए सृष्टि स्थित विनाशानां शक्ति भूते सनातनी गुणाश्रय गुणामयी देवी नारायणी नमस्तुते। ओम जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपालिनी दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा स्वाधा नमस्तुते। सर्व मंगल मंगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमस्तुते। माँ का आशीर्वाद, आप लोगों का प्यार, ऐसे ही परिवार का मेरा साथ। ये विकास भारती एक परिवार है जिसके प्रत्येक सदस्य जहां जहां अभी कोई गेट पर खड़ा है, कोई अंदर में ग्रीन रूम में क्या परिश्रम होता होगा, 400 बच्चा है अंदर में, क्या करती होगी वो लोग, कितना मेहनत करती है, इसका मैं बखान नहीं कर सकता। सिर्फ इतना ही कर सकता हूं, प्लीज कोऑपरेट कीजिएगा। आपका एक छोटा सा गलती रात को ना देखिए, सब चाहता है विकास भारती बात जैसा बनना। आज रैनिया में विकास भारती टॉप में है, टॉप में रहेगा, टॉप में रहेगा आप लोगों का काम से। हम लोग बोलते हैं बाबा मीटिंग में, कुछ ऐसा करो कि दुनिया तुम्हारा ऐसा करना चाहे, करते हैं आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद से, आप लोगों का साथ से, इन लोगों का मेहनत से। रात भर दिन वो जो उन लोगों का लिस्ट है, एक एक आदमी का काम है, ड्यूटी लिस्ट मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता, यहां पर बहुत टाइम लग जाएगा क्योंकि बहुत लंबा प्रोग्राम है आपके पास। एक एक आदमी वो काम कर रही है। विकास भारती अपना बुलंदी पढ़ाई लिखाई में गाड़ दिया। पिछले बार आप लोगों ने देखा कैसे ये 8-9 बच्चा लेटर स्टार पा जाता, वही बात नहीं है। 25 बच्चा मैथ में लेटर पा गया, इंग्लिश में 17 बच्चा पा गया, लाइफ साइंस में 20 बच्चा, इससे मतलब नहीं है। हम लोग विकास भारती बच्चों को संस्कार देने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं, मनुष्य बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। आप लोग देखते होंगे रोज टीवी मीडिया में, रोज देखते होंगे, हम लोग का नाम नहीं है, हम लोग काम पर विश्वास करते हैं। वो आप लोगों के काम से सब कुछ आप लोग, तुम्हें वो माता च पिता, तुम्हें बंधु च सखा, तुम्हें वो द्रव्यंग, सब कुछ आप लोग है। सब सचमुच मेरा जो कुछ भी है सब आपसे है, विकास भारती से है। ऐसा कोई काम नहीं करेंगे यहां से घर पहुंचते तक, क्योंकि सारा जिम्मेवारी, क्योंकि हमको सब बोल रहा था कि उधर में ही कीजिए, इतना दूर कैसे जाएंगे, बैठने का जगह नहीं मिलता वगैरह वगैरह। बहुत सोच समझ के उत्तम मंच, फैमिली ऐसा रिलेशन, ऐसा प्यार, ऐसा साथ नहीं मिलता और जगह, वो सब कुछ यहाँ मिल रहा है। इसी कारण से हम लोग यहाँ पर लेते हैं, इस हॉल को बार बार लेते हैं, बार बार लेते रहेंगे। आप लोग पूरा प्रोग्राम को देखेंगे। हमारे घर के ही बच्चे हैं, वो तो कोई बड़ा सा कोई प्रोग्राम हुआ है, देखे भी किए हैं, परीक्षा हुआ है, उसके बाद शुरू किया है, मेहनत किया है वो लोग, उससे त्रुटि हो जाए तो भी उसको उत्साहित करने में कोई कंजूसी नहीं करेंगे ना आप लोग? पक्का तो बेटा? आप लोग जोर से तो ताली बजाने में कंजूसी नहीं करोगे ना? अभी नहीं। थोड़ा ताली बजाएंगे ताकि ताली में उसको उत्साह मिलेगा, वो बच्चा अच्छा कर पाएगा। करने दीजिए अच्छा प्रोग्राम। मैंने रिहर्सल देखा है, पढ़ाई लिखाई में तो आप लोगों ने फुट्टा गाड़ दिया है। स्पोर्ट्स होता है तो आप लोगों ने अपना सिक्का चला दिया कि नहीं मेरा चलेगा, और आस्ते आस्ते कल्चर प्रोग्राम में भी विकास भारती अपना सिक्का गाड़ेगा कि नहीं गाड़ेगा? हमको ग्रीन रूम से भी आवाज नहीं आना चाहिए। हमारे जहां तक आवाज पहुंचता होगा बच्चे लोग को थोड़ा सा वहां भी ध्यान रखेंगे। और बार बार चिंता आ रहा है, बहुत सारा चिंता है, मैं नहीं बताना चाहता। इतना ही कोशिश कीजिएगा कि आप पूरा साथ हैं, साथ रहेंगे, अंत तक रहेंगे, पीछे हटके पीछे नहीं, और अपना अपना ख्याल रखते जाएंगे। मैं परसों एक प्रोग्राम में था, तो मैडम आएंगे, अभी वो गेस्ट के रूप में है, उनका स्कूल में ही एक टीचर का ही सर घूम गया। क्यों? तो सुबह से कुछ खाया नहीं था। अब हो गया, मैडम दौड़ के भागी हॉस्पिटल। अब वो जो है प्रोग्राम, इधर में हम थे, बोल के बोले ठीक है, और सब चल रहा था, चलवाए नहीं, और सब आज देखने नहीं लगेंगे। हम देखा कि जिसका जो काम था वो किया, रिपोर्ट मेल कर दिया, और उसके बाद काम पर में अपना वो, भगवान न करे ऐसा कुछ भी हो। हमने बताया माँ के घर में हम लोग, कोई चिंता नहीं है हमको, माँ साथ है, आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद है, प्यार है, साहस है, तभी तो सब कुछ करते जा रहे हैं। मुझे आशा नहीं, पूरा विश्वास है आप पर में। एक बार दोनों हाथ बोल, मुट्ठी बांध के बोलिए सर साथ हैं, तो हमारा दिल जो है पूरा माँ काली तक आवाज पहुंचे। बोलिए सब साथ हैं तो पक्का तो। धन्यवाद।
I would like to inform all the volunteers to be active on their duties, and now I would like to call all the teaching and non-teaching staffs of our school to be in the wings. Thank you.
We will welcome our teaching and non-teaching staff. Firstly, we will start from our non-teaching staff because our teachers have so many duties today. So teachers will be handling the students. There are so many work. So So I'm calling first Mrs. Sarmila Shaha to come on stage.
क्लैपिंग थोड़ा सा
Please clapping.
हम लोग लास्ट में जो पुरस्कार देंगे ना, तो बेस्ट टीचर्स ऑफ द ईयर चुनेंगे, बेस्ट टीचर ऑफ द मंथ चुनेंगे। अभी सभी टीचर्स को पुरस्कार है, आप लोग सभी टीचर्स को थोड़ा देख लीजिए।
Now I would call to Bonani Brahmo ma'am, Miss Bonani Brahmo ma'am, BB ma'am. Rather we know her, BB ma'am. Our Rita Jha ma'am, RJ ma'am to come on stage. Miss Aradhita Chakraborty, AC ma'am to come on stage. Veena Pathak, Mrs. Veena Pathak ma'am, VP ma'am, come on stage. Shahu Bina Kumari ma'am, BK ma'am to come on stage. Pratusha Shainik ma'am, PS ma'am, Kuheli De KD ma'am, Armita Shom, ARS ma'am,
Ela Bose, ma'am. And I would like to call Shivangini Mahato, Shoma Ghosh, Shampa Chakraborty, Preeti Shah ma'am, Sweta Shah ma'am, Shima Roy Paul ma'am, Saroj Kumar Sahu sir,
Shantanu Kormakar sir, Mrs. Priyamvada Mitro, Deepak Kumar Mishra, DM sir, Durga Devnath, Didi ma'am, Shushmita Mondol, new SM ma'am, Priyanka Shaha, Shilpi Rani Jha, Kalyani Roy, Nibhu Sharma, Preeti Shah, Urmila Chakraborty, Dolly Poddar, Diyashi Bhattacharjee, Rani Shah, Sharup Singh, Pompa Bormon Sarkar, Rupali Banerjee, Priyanka Das, Devi Mondol, Riya Shom, Sunita Sharma, Choton De, Dolon Mondol, Sarita Singh, Aparajita Sengupta. Now our non-teaching staffs, Anita Vishwas, no, Partho Sarkar, Naren Chetri, Nitu Yadav, Priyanka Roy, Shubal Chandra Dhara, H.C. Mishra, Rekha Mondol, Shamoli Shamanto, Nirmala Sharma, Anita Mondol, Sharada Singh. And also Ravinder Singh RS sir. Assistant Headmaster sir. And also our HM sir Michael Stephen Gregory. Also our Vice Principal sir, NN sir. So while our teachers are over on stage, volunteers, keep on maintain the discipline. Volunteers keep on discipline. Shashi Shankar Pandey sir, SSP sir. Naren Chetri sir. রেখাদি সুবল দা, রেখাদি রেখা মণ্ডল, সুবল চন্দ্র ধারা, শারদাদি, আপনারা একটু স্টেজে আসবেন। সুবল দা, তুমি যেখানেই থাকো একবার স্টেজে উপস্থিত হও। I would request volunteers who are near gate inform Shubal Da to come on stage. Volunteers who are near gate inform Shubal Da. Shubal Da. Shub. We are all the Vikas Bharati High School team. I request to clap for us only. Right. Thank you. I also want blessings from you all. Please bless us. By that we can serve for your students, for your kids. Thank you. Competition 2020. The prize for Inter-House Conversation Competition 2020, and this prize will go towards the batch holders who can speak English very fluently and got the first position. All the batch holders. The names are from 1A, Rani Roy, 1B, clapping for BR ma'am. It's my mistake, I forgot the name. Okay, so move on. Inter-House Conversation Competition batch holders. They are 1A, Rani Roy, 1B, Anjali Chaudhary, 2A, Keshav Mahapatra, 2B, Charulata Ghosh, 3A, Utkarshini Nitya Jha, 3B, Deepanitya Sardar, 4A, Vishal Sharma, 4B, Raj Chaudhary, 5A, Satyam Jha, 5B, Anshu Kumar Shao, 6A, Kritika Shao, 6B, Ishika Sharma, 6C.
And I would like to call our respected principal sir, vice principal sir and our headmaster sir to offer their certificate and their medals onto their hands. Please be clapping for them. They got the prize for Inter-House Conversation Competition for the session 2020, and they are all batch holders and our twinkling students of Vikas Bharati High School.
So I would Again, I will say the names from 7A, Swasti Tiwari, 7B, Maithili Mishra, 8A, Neha Sharma, 8B, Manisha Mondol, 9A, Shakshi Thakur, 9B, Sneha Chaudhary, 10A, Shilpa Shao, 10B, Kajal Mishra.
And this prizes for inter-house conversation competition for the session 2020, and they're all batch holders of our Vikas Bharati High School, starting from class 1A to 10B.
See, our students are ready to speak in English. They are well enough to speak in English. That's why they are getting the prize over here. So I would request to everyone to clap for them and cheer them. By that, every year they can get prizes. They can get the reward for their effort.
And Vikas Bharati High School never forgets to reward any students who show their talents and as well as their academic quality as well as non-academic quality. And this is for the prize of inter-house conversation competition for the session 2020 for their academic goods and their capabilities of conversation and their speaking skills.
And also their houses, this prize is for inter-house competition. So inter-house, they are also from their houses, they are nominated, they got the first position. After so many nominations, they proved themselves to be the winner. So I would request everyone to clap for them.
And the names are also being called for the best students as well as for the batch holder as well as for the non-batch holders. But after that you will be seeing our non-batch holders, and right now they're all batch holders who got their prizes and along with their certificates.
Clap for them. They have got medals as well as the merit token for their achievement.
Starting from Tagore, Patel, Netaji, Bhabha, every house has got their prizes and their best students for conversation competition 2K20.
Now moving towards the next award, that is Inter-House Conversation Competition 2020. But these students are without batch holders. These are without batch holder students.
And from 1A, Patel House, Vidya Kumari. From 1B, Priyanshu Sharma, Tagore House. From 2B, Sandeep Roy, Bhabha House. 2A, Sandeep Roy, Bhabha House. From 2B, Rajveer Singh, Bhabha House. For
Rani Roy.
From 3A, Vishwamitra Mishra. From Bhabha House. 3B, Om Kumar Mishra, Tagore House. From 4A, Sonu Roy, Patel House. From 4B, Satyam Chaurasia, Bhabha House. From 5B, from 5A, Ravi Chandan Roy from Bhabha House. From 5B, Rupsha Pramanik from Bhabha House.
6A, Archana Mishra, Netaji House. 6B, Ravi Ranjan Roy, Netaji House. 6C, Shakshi Jha, Netaji House. 7A, Dheeraj Jha, Bhabha House. 7B, Mala Kamath, Patel House. 8A, Sweetie Chaudhary, Patel House. 8B, Sandeep Pradhan, Tagore House. 9A, Soni Mishra, Netaji House. 9B, Sachin Mandal, Netaji House. 10A, Shujal Sharma, Netaji House. 10B, Pallavi Mishra, Bhabha House. And clap for them, a huge clap, because they are not batch holders. They don't come first, second, third into their classes, but they prove themselves to be a good conversed person and got the prize in conversation competition. Inter-House Conversation Competition 2020, they came for prize receiving prize. So come up to the wings. Come up to the left wings. We will receive you.
Certificates for the session 2020 conversation competition.
Don't stop clapping. These are all yours. Don't stop clapping. Properly, very neat and cleanly. So, the next award we are moving on to, that would be Inter-House Handwriting Competition 2020. We are giving prize for Inter-House Patel House 5A Ayush Raj Sharma, Netaji House 5B Shivani Mondol, Bhama House 6A Aarti Sharma, Netaji House 6.
From 8A, Sweta Misra from Patel House. From 8B, Upam Thakur from Patel House. From 10A, Shakshi Thakur from Tagore House. From 10B, Nisha Sharma from Netaji House. From 10A, students of our Vikas Bharati High School, they lead their classes, they guide their classes, as well as they can write as well, they can speak as well. So as we already said that our school always focuses on the
Also dancing, they are the performers as well as they are getting their prizes. They are the actual gems and jewels of our school. So
from 8A, Khushbu Rajvar Patel House. From 8B, Amit Bharti from Patel House. From 9A, Chandni Sharma House. They are all non-batch holders or they are without batch holders. They didn't come up first, or so they are getting their merit token as well as the certificates and the medals from our respected principal sir, vice principal sir, and our headmaster sir. Please be clapping for them.
I would request you to not to stop prove themselves by their handwriting, and that is why we keep these competitions in the classes. By that they can show their talent, show their effort as well as okay. So now we are moving forward for the next prize. Certificates for drawing. As they do the classes in the school, the classes held on every Saturday from 9:30 to 11 a.m. in the morning. And these classes who are doing drawing classes in our school, it is also a co-curricular activity. So you can ask to your student, you can send to your student to the school classes. By that they can tweet.
For completing Purna,
Tripati Shah, 3rd year.
Sachin Mondol for completing first year,
Afroza Molla for completing their Purna. So we will give a very huge classes getting awarded.
and this is two certificates. These two certificates are given for the year 2019 and 2020 for 2 years, for last year and as well as for this year. And the classes of drawing, health, academic quality, these qualities are also very important.
Also we have one more co-curricular.
Is to show their levels, how well they have emerged in the level of abacus, and they have also done very well. So we are giving away the certificates to encourage them as well as to remark their talents with the certificates to complete the first, second and third level. And again I am taking the name Ishika Balmiki and Chandan Roy, and these prizes and the certificates are for the session 2K.
Is a very new brain development co-curricular activity. So there are completed first, second, third level of abacus. So they are many things. So
in their houses and they always come to school, and they are all getting the prizes for 100% attendance.
So the names are Transition B, Pari Kumari Shao, KGA, Anjali Chaudhary, KGA, Arnab Mondol, 1B, Abhishek Shao, 2A, Anokhi Chaudhary, 3A, Raj Chaudhary, 5B, 5A, Afroza Molla, 5A, Jyoti Chaudhary, 6A, Papia Ghosh, 6A, Shruti Lal, 5A, Ishika Sharma. So give a huge round of applause.
And students, this is also a time, this is also a very moment for you. You can also get the prizes if you go to school for, you can see.
So they are the examples actually. This can be also done. Every day you can also come to school and this is actually an achievement. So give a huge clap for these students who never fail to come on the school and they never fail to love the school.
And this is the token not for only 100% attendance, but as well as for the love they have shown for our school, and they love our school so much that they never miss our classes, they never fail to see our beautiful looking teachers every time, so that they come to school for every day, and for every year we will be giving away this prize.
Clap should not be stopped. This is achievement. They are participating. They are coming to school every day.
Look for our students, and this is always we look into our students, and those who get the Bharati Shri and Bharati Ratna along with the prizes, medals and certificate, there is one big announcement that we always and every year we give to them, and that is,
So that is actually what we do for them.
इसी बीच हमारे क्योंकि वो जानते हैं कि क्या होता है, सर को बुला रहे हैं प्लीज, अभी बिना अनाउंस के झा सर प्लीज।
Give a huge applause.
देखिए भारतीय श्री भारती रत्न देने वक्त ही सर पहुंच गए।
We are welcoming our guest, Mr. Jha, over here into the stage.
thank you sir for taking out your precious time and coming to our program. I hope you will enjoy the program, and our respected principal sir is welcoming our guests. A warm welcome for our principal sir.
800 ही बेस्ट बच्चे हैं, लेकिन बेस्ट में भी जो चुनना पड़ेगा ना, तो एक बच्चा का नाम, एक लड़की का नाम और एक लड़का का नाम चुना गया है। सभी टीचर्स चुनती हैं, जो बच्चा रेगुलर होता है, पढ़ाई लिखाई से लेकर सब कुछ में उमदा होता है, सर्वगुण संपन्न बच्चा होता है, उसको चुना गया भारतीय श्री और भारतीय रत्न के रूप में। मैं देख रहा था प्रीति यहाँ पर में थी, प्रीति साहू, जो सब विषय में बाद में भी स्टार पाई, मैंने 75% से ऊपर, लेटर से ऊपर, सॉरी 7 विषय में 80 से ऊपर पाई थी। मैं उनको देख रहा था, अभी वो आ रही थी, गार्जियन के तौर पर अभी बड़ी हो गई है, तो अभी अनाउंस होने जा रहा है उसका नाम। उससे पहले इस बार अनोखा हुआ, एक बच्चा जो क्लास 4 में शायद पढ़ता था, उस समय उसको हम लोग भारत रत्न जो है ना, उसके रूप में भारतीय रत्न मिलता है अपने विकास भारती स्कूल में। 33 टीचर उसको वोट किए थे इस बार, उसी को मिलता चूंकि। लेकिन अपने यहाँ एक नियम है कि एक चीज को दोबारा नहीं, एक विषय से डबल विषय से आप एमए हो सकते हैं, लेकिन एक ही विषय में 2 बार तो एमए नहीं कर सकते हैं ना। तो बच्चा, मैं उसको पुरस्कार तो नहीं दे पा रहा हूँ इस बार, क्योंकि उसको ऑलरेडी मिल चुका है एक बार। वो बच्चा सचमुच में अच्छा है, इस बार 10 में है। प्रीतम शर्मा करके बच्चा होगा, प्रीतम शर्मा जो प्लीज प्रीतम शर्मा है यहाँ पर। मैं पता था हम लोग उस समय भी स्टेशन चार्ज था 8-9 हज़ार रुपये, जो भी चार्ज रहा होगा इसको फ्री मिला होगा। इस बार 10 में था, इसी का नाम चुन करके आ रहा था, बार बार इसी का नाम चुन के आना, 2 बार तो नहीं हो गया, 1 बार आ गया है, इसके लिए बिग क्लैपिंग प्लीज इसको दे दीजिए। लेकिन जो सेकंड बच्चा है जिसको भारतीय रत्न करके मिल रहा है, उसका नाम मैडम लाइए। और जो बच्ची सबसे अच्छी बच्ची, उसकी बहन भी इसी बार मैट्रिक में पास की है, वो बच्ची, उसकी बड़ी बहन, वो भी स्टार होल्डर, सब विषय में 80 के ऊपर पाई है नंबर। मैं उस माँ बाप को अगर यहां पर होंगे तो सैल्यूट करता हूं। नाम आप लोग बता सकते हैं क्या? लड़की का नाम जोर से बताओ, थोड़ा सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा है। कौन? शिल्पा। शिल्पा है क्या? शिल्पा हूं कैसा गुरु हूं, आप भाग्यशाली है कि आप उसके मां हैं, आपके घर में ऐसा बच्चा है। प्लीज सारा बच्चा ऐसे ही सारा। और देखिए इससे पिछले बार भी इसकी बड़ी बहन ली है। ये पढ़ाई में सिर्फ अच्छी है, उससे नहीं मिलता, सर्वगुण संपन्न, बात करने का ढंग, उठने का, चलने का, एक विकास भारती देता है हर एक बच्चा को एक प्राइज मिले। हम तो चाहते हैं बढ़ते जाए संख्या। अपने बच्चों को शिल्पा साहू, इसका भी 2 आंख है, 2 हाथ है, 2 पांव है, जैसे व्यवहार करती है वैसे ही अपने बच्चों को सिखाइए। लड़की है तो उसको बोलिए तुमको भारतीय श्री मिले रत्न, भारतीय रत्न करके तुमको प्राइज मिले। प्लीज बिग क्लैपिंग शिल्पा रानी के लिए। शिल्पा साहू गुड।
Give a huge round of applause. She is our Bharti Sri. Bharti Sri, she has got.
ये बच्ची अभी 12,000 रुपया कैश अवार्ड मिल रहा है इसको। अकाउंट में उसको फीस बुक लेके आएगी, उसको वापस हो जाएगा। 12,000 रुपया 5,000 रुपया की बात नहीं है। इतने लोगों के सामने इतनी बच्चियों में ये अच्छी बच्ची है, तो प्लीज आशीर्वाद दीजिए। दूसरे के बच्चे को आशीर्वाद देंगे, अपना बच्चा सही होगा।
Now is
चलिए सचिन कुमार मंडल, अभी देखे होंगे था 100% अवार्ड में, इसी में से खूब खुश है बेटा, भगवान तुम्हारी सब मनोकामना पूर्ण करे। बस इसका बड़ा भाई इस बार मार्क्स लिख दिया है, क्या नाम था? सौरभ कुमार मंडल। इसके मम्मी पापा हैं क्या यहाँ पर में? अगर सौरभ सचिन के मम्मी पापा हों, सौरभ के मम्मी पापा हैं, ऊपर में है क्या? आए हैं मम्मी? वाओ, बिग क्लैपिंग सचिन कुमार मंडल के लिए। मैं इसको ऑफिस से बुलाया था, पूछा था, देखो साधारण घर के बच्चे, पिताजी ड्राइविंग करते हैं, हमारे विकास भारती की विशेषता है, साधारण घर के बच्चे, कम बड़ा बात नहीं हुआ, बिना कोई मेहनत इसका इधर उधर ट्यूशन उधर करके स्कूल से जब पूरा आज डेवलप 100 मांडेला कहीं नहीं, स्कूल में सब कुछ संपन्न, बोलता सब है, विकास भारती की तरह बनेंगे। सूरज, मैं बताता हूँ मीटिंग में हर वक्त कि सूरज बनना सब चाहता है, लेकिन सूरज का जलना कोई नहीं चाहता। जो जलेगा वो चमकेगा नहीं, चमकेगा। ये बच्चा मेहनत कर रहा है, आज से नहीं, एक दिन में नहीं होगा सिलेक्शन। ये लगातार नर्सरी से पढ़ना शुरू करता है बच्चा, जब उसका एटीट्यूड हम लोग सिखाते हैं, फिर उसके बाद कुछ सीखता है, सीखते 9-10 तक पहुंचता है, क्लास 4 में मिल जाता है। बहुत उम्दा बच्चा है। देखिए उस बच्चा को हम लोग क्लास 4 में ही चुन लिए थे कि बेस्ट बच्चा है, और क्लास 10 में गया अभी वो, उसको बुलाया, मैडम उसका फोटो होना चाहिए, मैडम उसका ही फोटो होना चाहिए, प्रीतम शर्मा का, क्योंकि अधिकारी और प्रीतम बना दे अपना हाथ के लिए, तुम्हें पता। बिग क्लैपिंग प्लीज।
Give a big, huge clapping for them.
Pause everybody. Suza. Maksud. এই মকসুদ কথাটাই হচ্ছে জাপানিজ শব্দ একটা। এইটার মাধ্যমে আমরা কনসেন্ট্রেট করি, আমরা যেন এক আত্মা হয়ে যেন ক্যারেক্টারটা অনুশীলন করতে পারি, তারই জন্য এটা আমাদের করতে হয়। মকসইয়ামে
এবার আপনাদের সামনে কাতা পরিবেশন করে দেখাচ্ছে। কাতার বাংলা কোনো মিনিং হয় না। এই কাতা অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমরা যে ক্যারাটেটা করছি এটা একটা ফাইটিং ফর্ম। তো এই কাতা করে দেখাচ্ছে আমাদের বিকাশ ভারতী স্কুলের কিছু মেয়েরা। নমস্কার। ছোট্ট নাটকের মধ্যে দিয়ে ফুটিয়ে তোলার চেষ্টা করছি। ওকে বস, আমাদের প্রোগ্রাম এখানেই শেষ হলো।
Miss Pinky Mishra, clap for our Honorable Principal Sir, Headmaster Sir and Vice Principal Sir. Keep clapping. We are welcoming them. Welcoming our Headmaster Sir. Thank you very much everyone. Now please allow me to call our Headmaster Sir to Headmaster Sir to cheer up our audiences, students and spectators. Please welcome Mrs. Pinky Mishra with a big clap. Keep clapping. Guests are always a holy form of gods, and being to Bikash Bharatian, we are always there to welcome our guests.
Good afternoon to our honorable principal, esteemed guests and well-wishers, respectful parents, guardians and teachers, and to you my dear students. I feel glad to see you all present at this auspicious occasion of the annual cultural program of Bikash Bharati High School. Today, this cultural program is fully based on the cultural aspects of the school. By culture, it means the manifestation of intellectual, of refined behaviors, customs, and good reflections of policies that could help to steer into the way of good civilization. Every human being, every man should think of the way of spreading good culture in the society and in the environment. And for this, the parents, guardians and teachers do play a vital role. Culture is the very life and the soul of every human being. For culture plays in the very conscience of every individual. We find that culture is very similar to the aesthetic sense. From culture springs forth the aesthetic value. By the aesthetic value, we mean that a person will be able to think properly, will be able to mix into society, and every individual must try to persevere to get a proper aesthetic sense, because this could help to encourage and inspire the others in the society to live with a proper rhetoric, so as to help the society and the environment. Those who live with the proper aesthetic sense will definitely be the epitome of the bright and indigenous society. From this can spring forth the proper citizens of the country that could help to lead the country to the path of prosperity. We come to know that the proper aesthetic sense plays a very vital role. It is a system of the taste of knowledge. All inventors had the proper aesthetic sense backing them, and because of that, they have invented so many indigenous formulas by which the world is moving. We do remember that because of the aesthetic sense, the Wright brothers were able to formulate the system of the plane. They had, due to their imaginative skill, they were able to make their vision successful. They thought about building a plane, and finally they did succeed. Today we have the planes as a vital source of transportation, and this very plane, because of the idea of the formation of the plane, has led to multifarious and indigenous products, which is very much needed in today's diverse world and in today's modern world. It is because of our plane that we are able to reach our destiny on time. We find that the very culture and the aesthetic sense must be nurtured, and this could be nurtured by the help of our teachers. School plays a vital role in this, and those who do hold the aesthetic sense and the proper culture, they can definitely become the epitome of the modern civilization. They can be the epitome of the bright and indigenous society. We feel that yes, we feel that your culture definitely helps. Good culture helps to make friendship. Good culture has the sweet essence. For it is because of good culture that we could win the hearts of our rivals. Good culture also could help us to build bilateral relation. It could also help us to build good relations among nations. So in this way, the culture plays a very vital role. It just cannot be overlooked. We have to live. It is very part and parcel of our life. Culture is the very life and soul of of this world, as I said earlier, because it plays a great effect in the conscience of every individual. Culture also helps culture could finally help to pave the way of bringing about peace, harmony and integrity, because culture in its wide sense, it definitely helps to bring about good relation among nations. Culture from its proper sense covers up a wider aspect of social harmony. It is because of culture that we are able to proceed in this world. We find that culture, no doubt, plays a very vital role in all aspects. It could be the very means of striving away from. It could be the means of getting away from dogmatism, but it could pave the path for peaceful dialogue. The culture, in its full sense, definitely could help the people to live unitedly. It could help to create peace, harmony. It is a culture. Therefore, I can say that it is a very important aspect. It is a very important asset of those who possess it. Therefore, those who possess it must definitely be respected for this aspect. Now, from this cultural point of view, Bikash Bharati High School has played a very significant role in inculcating culture. Today's program definitely covers up all the vital elements of culture. We got the intellectual, from the intellectual point of view, because Bharati High School has played a very great role. We find that in today's program, the Bharati Shri for girls, for boys, the Bharati Shri for girls and the Bharati Ratna for boys will be conferred to the right students from among those who have been nominated for this. This award is been given on the proper assessment based on overall development. And this definitely involves discipline. It involves the leadership quality. It involves the involvement in co-curricular activities and in the academic field. So, and this definitely plays a significant role to indicate the intellectual spirit of the students of our school. The dressing, the way the participants of the various events will be dressed explains about the artistic value of the school. The way they dress, while the way they will be dressed up to perform their particular events, it will definitely display their body gesture. It will display their manners of movement. It will display their high sense of imagination and their great skill, as well as the prizes which will be distributed to those who have performed well in the drawing and the writing competition. This also will reflect the artistic value of our school. As well, our board students, for the past 11 years consecutively, our students who had appeared for the board had been performing very well. They had got very excellent marks. Many of them had procured letters. Some have procured stars. The students have, because of their merit, got admission into the best of institutions. This, and until now, they are studying. Today, a boy met me and he told me, "Sir, I am doing my engineering." I said, from where are you doing your engineering?" He says, "From St. Thomas School, situated at Kirabo." He is doing engineering from there, and he got admission there under the joint entrance test, and he passed. He is